One application of sets is in stock prices. In this example, the set U consists of the 5 stocks M, N, O, P, and Q listed in the table. The table gives 52-week high and low prices, the last price, and the change in price from the day before for 6 stocks. The set A contains stocks with a high price higher than $50. The set B contains all stocks with a last price between $25 and $100, and the set C contains all stocks with a positive value for the change. So the set A is all stocks with a high price greater than 50. I see a high price greater than 50 here, here, and here. So the set A contains O, P, and Q. The set B contains all stocks with a last price between 25 and 100. Here, not here, not N, not here. P and Q are between 25 and 100. So B contains the stocks M, P, and Q. And then the set C is all stocks with a positive value for change. So C is equal to N, O, and Q. Using that information, let's find and describe the following. A intersect C. If we look at the two sets A and C, that would be OPQ intersect NOQ. Intersect means that we want the elements that appear in both sets. O appears in both sets and Q appears in both sets. So the intersection is OQ. Now what does that set mean? Since that's the elements that are both in A and in C, that means the stocks with a high price that's greater than 50 and also with a positive change value. Okay, now B prime would be the stocks that are in the universal set U but that are not in B, because prime means the complement. So that would be N is not in B and O is not in B, but M, P, and Q are in B, so we don't include those. So B prime is the stocks N and O. So since B was the set containing stocks between $25 and 100, B prime is the stocks with last price either less than 25 or greater than 100. And if we look at the last price for N and O, the last price for N was 14, which was less than 25, and the last price for O was 108, which is greater than 100. Okay, last let's find A union B. So A again is OPQ union with B, which is MPQ. Union means that we take all the elements that appear in at least one set. So that means O appears in at least one set, M appears in at least one set, P and Q appear in both sets, so they appear in at least one. So the union here is OMPQ. And since that is elements that are either in A or in B or both, that means that we have all of the elements with a high price greater than 50. And we have all of the elements with a last price between 25 and 100. But the elements in this set don't necessarily need to have both of those properties.